Operators, today I'm gonna teach you how to play with the thermal. Step 1. Check your storage value. Remember, if you're poor, thermal isn't for you. To play with the thermal, first you need at least 10 million storage value. Step 2. How to make your thermal caseable. To make your thermal caseable, you need to run a normal match and extract as fast as possible. And then, once you're extracted, your thermal will be caseable. Step 3. The guns and the ammos. I have 3 recommendations, so here it goes. H4 with the M995 or the MK14 with either M62s or M61s. Third, AR-57 with SS-198. Step 4. The maps. My recommendations are first, farm, second, armory, third, Northbridge. Step 5. Always remember to case your thermal when going indoors. Play safe, fellow operators.